I see that quite a lot of the brothers, when they come to the Jumu'ah, they come with like say jeans or trousers, and when they sit, their back shows. The lower part of their back, it is exposed. And this, ya ikhwani, it is forbidden in Islam. It's forbidden inside of the salah, and it's forbidden outside of the salah, because it's from the awrah of the man, which is from the navel to the knee. So the lower part of your back here, this is from the awrah. So we need to make sure that either you wear something which covers it, or you wear like a long top or t-shirt which goes over and covers it, because it's not just one person. So please be careful about that. Even not only in the salah, anytime, even in the office, anytime. Because this is something which is haram for a man to show this part of his body inside of the salah or outside of the salah. So I wanted to mention it because it's not allowed to see something and then you don't say anything about it. So I just wanted to remind everybody about it.